Hello everyone, good morning. I'm making this video just to have a little explanation on how to make this week's homework, which is going to be about squares in vocabulary. These squares in vocabulary are important in some way for students because they are able to write and at the same time they are able to identify how to spell the word in vocabulary, which is really important for them at the time that they are learning these new words in vocabulary. So in general, it's going to be very simple. I'm going to explain. First, you're going to write the word in the original position in the normal way. Once that you have it, you're going to start writing the same word downwards. Orange. Then when you finish, following the same lining, you're going to write the word now upwards. Orange. And to finish, you're going to write the word backwards. Orange. And at the end, you're going to make the illustration inside the square, like this. So in this case, this is an orange. I'm going to draw an orange. Otherwise, you can also make an illustration by cut. You can illustrate that way by making a drawing or with a cut. Okay, but goodbye. And I hope that this video will actually help. Okay, take care.